first on an oil change, you have to locate your oil pan drain bolt, which on this car is located right here. You unscrew this bolt right here, let the oil drain out. Once all of it is drained, put the oil drain bolt back in on proper torque specs you can find on Pro Demand. Then after that, lower your car.
Go lower it.
After that, lower your car to access the oil filter. In this car, the oil filter is in the engine bay.
You have to hold that and at the same time.
Alright, now go open the hood. Alright, open the hood now. Watch out. That's fine, Anthony.
Now, after you open the hood, you can find your oil filter, which on this car is right here. After you find your oil filter and what brand it is, take this one off using a oil filter oil remover tool. Like this. Find the correct size. Unscrew it out. Make sure the seal comes off of the engine. You don't want the old seal to stay on. Get your new filter. Rub the seal with some oil and tighten it hand tight, and that's it. Then you find your engine oil right here. You pull this out. This shows how much oil you have. You make sure there's none in there. Then right here you find your oil fill cap, which is right here. You unscrew this, get a funnel, and pour your oil in. Then after you're done, you reset your car's oil light so that it reminds you when you have to do an oil change.